Assalamu alaikum. I am Sara Imdad, a student of Biomedical Engineering department at Salim Habib University. I am a UGRAD alumna and was selected from the top students all over the country for a semester exchange program at the University of Missouri, Columbia. The Global UGRAD Pakistan is sponsored by US Department of State with funding provided by US government and supported by IREX. During my time in the United States, I was able to enroll in non-degree graduate level courses like computational neuroscience and design and development of biomedical innovation due to the outstanding knowledge I have because of the courses I have studied at the Department of Biomedical Engineering at Salim Habib University. I was able to perform well throughout my coursework here because of practical exposure and hands-on lab work here at SHU. During my time at Salim Habib University, I have developed many soft skills like teamwork, problem solving, critical thinking, and communication. These skills have helped me throughout my exchange period. I also learned research and presentation skills at SHU that helped me lead different projects abroad. Overall, it was an exciting experience and I would recommend everyone to avail this amazing opportunity.